or angel, whatever works best for you. And today I'm here for a self-care day. I'm here with my bonnet and my PJs and my glasses, and we're gonna have a whole self-care Sunday. Today is Sunday. It is like 7 p.m. and also I'm home alone. Oh, I love it. And it's a long weekend, so like I'm really embracing this self-love day, this self-care day. Yesterday I like washed my hair. I already cleaned up my bathroom. I cleaned up my room. I've been doing the laundry for the week. That's like a part of the self-care, you know, like once you get that out of the way, you can like relax a little bit. And I'm so excited. I used to do these religiously, like every Sunday on the ball, no missing days. I used to do these all the time, but I've been slacking. So let's try to get back into it. Next, we're gonna go into nails, and I have a video out on how to do my press-on nails. I'm gonna link below, or it's gonna be on the screen. We're just gonna jump into this video. Sorry, it's kind of like sporadic, but like I'm really itching to do these nails. I'll be back once these nails are done. We're back, and we got some nails on. Ooh. Let me show you guys. I cut them because they were really long, but I'm loving these. They're so pretty. They're red and they make me feel mature, I guess. It's pretty late, it's 9. I'm still kind of determined to take a bath. Today is kind of like a reset, and it's gonna be kind of vlog style. I have had severe anxiety for like 2 weeks. And I feel like I finally can breathe. So I'm like, why not pamper myself, you know? So I actually also need to make a iron smoothie, which I will be recording eventually for you guys, because I'm not anemic anymore because of this smoothie. Literally, it made my levels go up to 10. But right now, let's just put on a face mask first. And let me get my tripod, because y'all aren't just gonna chill in my hand like this. So we're gonna put on a clay mask. First, I'm gonna wash my face, and I'll probably be back with you guys, and we can talk and get real therapeutic. Clean, I keep my face clean, wet, and actually what I do before I put on a mask is I tone my face. That's what I felt has worked great, and I apply a mask wet as ever. I also use these silicone brushes, don't like them. I like the brushes more. Not a fan. So lately I've been using this Take Off Control by Formula, this Mud Max. It's charcoal and cocoa, and it burns. Not like burns, but tingles, like it's hot. And I don't think I would purchase again. I don't know, when it comes to mask, I'm very, see, this is why I don't like this. Like I like even, like what? Or it drives me nuts, but I'm trying to be, I just put these nails on. I don't want any clay on these nails, so I'm trying my best, but I'm not happy with it. I'll probably smooth it out with my fingers. How are you guys doing mentally and physically? I am so happy to have my channel back. Didn't go anywhere, but I stopped posting on it, and my channel has always been the most therapeutic thing for me ever. Everyone knows this, and when my family found my channel, gosh, I love them, but my channel was more like a diary for me growing up, really. It was where I expressed myself, all my feelings. Like I tell my channel more things than I tell my own friends. No joke. And when my family got access to my channel, it felt like they got access to my diary. And I felt like I couldn't be authentic and real on it, mostly because I don't want to worry people. I don't want people to be like messaging me, asking if I'm okay, or like my parents ask if I'm okay because of like a video I posted, because I'm good, I'm okay. But I actually had this talk with my therapist, and I'm a very sidelines girl. I stay on the sidelines, I stay out the way, I don't want to burden anyone ever. And my therapist was like, what's wrong with people worrying about you? Why is it so bad for you to exist? Like, it's okay to exist. It's okay for people to care about you and worry about you. And I was like, I know. Still don't want people messaging me, obviously, if my family's watching this. But I was also talking to my boyfriend, and he was like, yeah, you should get back on your YouTube. Like, it was something that you enjoyed and you were authentically yourself. And I think you started to kind of not like it when you had to filter yourself. And that's facts. That man knows me. You see why this brush sucks? I'm gonna use my fingers now, whatever. And that was the reality of it, and that's what I wanted to stop now. I just want to be back authentically on myself and say what's on my mind on my channel with no fear of people and my family and what they think. I will always reiterate that I'm fine, because I am fine, but this is just has always been an amazing outlet for me to express myself. Literally, bringing back my YouTube has brought me so much joy. All of it. It's the whole thing is an art for me. Editing, just like being creative, it has brought and inspired so much into me, and I'm just so happy to be back. I haven't missed a day. Also, I left this open because I have some open skin from me picking. Hello, anxiety. My anxiety has been off the charts. That's actually not related to me putting on nails at all, but it's a good reason I put on these nails, because my skin would have been torn up. But yeah, anxiety has just been on my ass, and I am so excited to talk about it. Like, I get to speak and not feel filtered anymore. But this mask tingles. Like, I can already feel it tingling. So while this mask is doing its work and doing its mightiness, masks are more of like a luxury. They're not needed in skincare at all. They don't really do much, quite honestly, but they're fun to me. And I'm more of I like peel off masks, and I like masks that hydrate. I love hydration on the face, and this mask just doesn't do it for me. I just picked it up, and since I got it, I'm gonna finish it. I'm almost done, but like right now, it's burning. While it's drying, I spray again some more rose water. Love that stuff. Rose water, hair toner, good for all skin types. While my face is dry, let's go downstairs and make a smoothie. Those iron pills don't do shit. A video will be coming eventually. It's a part of self-care, right? It's making a smoothie for my iron. My mom's is low, and she asked me to make a smoothie, and I was like, yeah, I'll make a smoothie. They're just besties in here. Sorry, it's kind of dark. I'm just gonna wash my face quick. I think I'm gonna take a bath tomorrow. It is like 10:30. It's super late, and I'm getting tired, and I have work in the morning, like I said, so I kind of wanted to unwind. Maybe we'll make some tea together and read a book. Let's go make some tea and wind down with a book. That sounds beautiful.
And you didn't teach my fries.
I'm trying not to cry right now. I don't know what's wrong with me. I thought my anxiety wave was done. It's not. For sleep, I got myself 2 samosas. And if you don't know what those are, they're the most amazing thing. I got some tea, which I showed you guys. This teacup is so cute. It changes colors when it's hot and cold. My parents got it for me for Christmas, and I think it's the cutest thing ever. I am going to unwind. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm like emotional right now. There's no reason. It's just the way it goes with anxiety, you know? It can come in waves, and right now is like a wave. I have anxiety right now for no reason, but it's annoying. And I've just been having it all weekend, and I'm just trying to regulate myself. I probably should just like breathe and listen and like meditate. Oh, we got a tear. Oh no. It's good. For me, crying is kind of a relief. Like, I just felt like a nice relief from those tears coming down. This didn't go as expected. I feel like now this is not really a self-care day. It is I had to get over some anxiety that I'm like, my therapist was like telling me I should look into getting medication, but I'm just not ready to do that yet. I was telling her how I feel like I don't remember what I said, but she didn't like what I said. And she was like, I said I didn't want to rely on medication. And she did not like that. And she was like, imagine if you didn't have a leg and like you wanted a prosthetic or like a crutch. I forgot what the thing was, but she's like, that's the same way as something in your brain, like that is missing, that you need help kind of putting that back in the system. She's like, it's not your body relying on it. It's your body, like, it's like depriving your body of that in your brain. I don't know, this chemical, I don't know. I don't remember what she said, but I was like, and put it in a different perspective, but I still didn't talk to my doctor about it because, again, I'm just not ready to do the whole anxiety meds yet. I had like a paramedic tell me once, and because I called 911 because I had a panic attack, and I had a paramedic tell me that like there's like anxiety pills that you can take when you are having anxiety. So I like thought about that. Anyway, I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna drink a little bit. YouTube has been like really slow on like fun things to watch. That used to be like my place of choice. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I am just going to drink my tea and chill for a second. Sorry, the lighting is so ass. I'm just not in the mood to go get my ring light and everything. This has been a series of events. I feel like we're like doing episodes, but I left off because I had a panic attack. It literally, I turned off the camera and I was like hyperventilating. I was going to set up the camera and like record it live, but I just was like, let's focus on getting through it. I breathed, and then I called my boyfriend, and he kind of just helped walk me through it. Ways that he helps, and he's like really good at, is there's been times where he's like played games with me and he's like, let's play a game, and he'll like make up some game and we'll play it together until I laugh. But this time he was like, poor kid, he was so exhausted and tired. I felt bad, but he was like, it's okay, I'm here. And then I kept telling him like, I feel bad, if you're sleeping it's fine. And he was like, no, I'm here, it's okay. And then he's like, think about work tomorrow. And he's like, and he just distracted me. I knew what he was doing. And he was like, what are you doing tomorrow for work? Like, what are you doing at work tomorrow? Like, what are you like, he was just kept asking me questions, and it worked so well. But before then, like for the first, like, I feel like it felt like forever, but I'm saying 10 minutes. I don't know if it was 10 minutes. I was just trying to calm myself down. I was like breathing. I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. Like, it's kind of what I always tell myself in my head. I'm like, it's okay. It's okay. There's nothing wrong. Nothing wrong. Like, and I felt like I couldn't breathe. Like, that's what I was telling him too. Like, I can't breathe. And my mom has anxiety too, and she gets like anxiety attacks where she can't breathe. But I was like, I feel like I can't breathe. And I'm like, I'm trying. And then like the more I would cry, the more my nose would get stuffed, and the more I literally felt like I couldn't breathe. I think finally my anxiety wave is gone. I was like literally high anxiety for like 2 weeks. Like I was on the brim. So I think I needed that anxiety attack to like, you don't need an anxiety attack, but I felt like I needed that to like have that nice release, you know, like it's finally out. I felt like it was like the tip, and it was like it like I had to let it out, you know. So that was my way to let it out. There is like a podcast I want to watch, and so what I think I'm gonna do, and it's a video podcast, so what I think I'm gonna do is I've been craving like a McFlurry. I have Oreos, I have vanilla, I have vanilla ice cream, and I have whipped cream. So I think I'm gonna just like quickly make myself a McFlurry and go sit in the tub. Yeah, instead of tea, I'm gonna have my McFlurry and sit in the tub, eat my ice cream while watching a video, because I just uploaded my video. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I just uploaded how I got these nails on, and I also just woke up from a nap mid editing, all that. I finally got it up, thankfully. It was a little late. I got it up at 6:30, I think. The goal is usually to get these videos on Wednesdays up at 10 a.m. the same time I get my shorts up, but some weeks it doesn't work like that, and I just don't beat myself up about it anymore. I'm like, as long as it's up on Wednesday. And I've been consistent for a month, y'all, so when's the last time that happened? So I'm loving my schedule, I'm loving what I'm doing, but now let's go do some fun stuff, because we deserve it. As I'm editing, I'm deciding to close this video off here. So thank you guys so much for watching.
I think I wanted this video to be cut short because the rest of the footage I have is kind of sporadic, but I just wanted the main focus of this video to be anxiety and just giving you my tips and tricks on how I unwind. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Make sure to talk to someone if you have anxiety. Look into therapy. Look into medication. Do what's best for you. I love you guys so much. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love. And it's not goodbye. It's see you tomorrow. Win in a short. Bye, guys.
Enjoyed your time. Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.